Handjob, meaning a handjob or handjob, is a sex act, performed as either foreplay or as non-penetrative sex, that involves the manual stimulation of the penis or scrotum by another person to induce an erection for sexual pleasure, sexual arousal, and sometimes resulting in orgasm and ejaculation. A handjob can be sexually arousing for both participants and may be an erotic and physically intimate act of its own. It is analogous to fingering, stimulation of the vagina. A person may give a male partner a handjob so as not to engage in penetrative sexual activity. Besides avoiding the risks associated with sexual penetration, such as sexually transmitted infections, STIs, or pregnancy from penile vaginal sex, some people engage in non-penetrative sex to preserve virginity. Hickey, meaning sucking on a fleshy portion of skin, usually on the neck, causes blood vessels to rupture, resulting in a discoloration or bruise on the affected area. Getting one isn't hazardous or dangerous, however they might be sore to the touch when first obtained.